Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn how to make 3D paper city. For that material is listed. So this is how your final output is going to look. Isn't it exciting? So let's start and see how to make it. This is A4 size paper. And from bottom I'm going to mark 8 centimeter and we are going to draw the base of our buildings. So leave 8 centimeter from bottom and draw one sleeping line. Now with a marker I am drawing buildings. So you have to draw rectangles, small rectangle, big rectangle. You can overlap some buildings. Now here some buildings will be tall and some buildings will be little bit short. Now you will be surprised and wondering what are the sleeping rectangles on the top of each building. So in starting we have seen the final output and we had seen the roof of each building. So here I am going to cut the outline of these buildings from top and then we will fold all the rectangles. So this is how we will fold all the rooftops of each building. Here I've taken sleeping rectangles. You can have them curved roof or if you draw one triangle at the top, that is also fine. So just fold all the rooftops. Now you'll be wondering what are these colors at the background of this paper. So this was a waste paper and I thought let me use it. So like this I'm using the back side of the paper. So my rooftops are done and now we will start making windows. So you can have fancy windows, you can have rectangle, you can have triangle, you can have circular. You can have them some windows wide, some windows short. So it's all up to you. Different pattern windows you can have on your buildings. So once you are done with the windows, you can color them. Here I am using color pencils. You can do the base with color pencil and then if you have sketch pen or if you have pastel colors or crayon colors, you can do shading with that. I wanted to use pencil colors, so I've used pencil colors over here because we don't see any dark colors on building. you usually see very pastel shades, so that's the reason I thought of using pencil colors over here, because I wanted to give a light shade on this. And then later you can do shading with pastel color or crayon color a little bit to give it a 3D shape. As you can see, I have started using some crayon colors. So I am not giving them that dark, but use some subtle shades, and I am using them to give 3D effect to some doors and windows. Now you can do some fancy patterns on your rooftop as well. So first one I have done slanting, second one I am doing U shape, third one I am just giving dots. Here some wavy lines. Again, those rooftops also you can color them with pastel colors or sketch pens or markers or paint, whatever is available you can use that. So once we are done with coloring the buildings, now we will draw one curved line from both the sides at the bottom, and we will cut that. Now here I am drawing some sleeping lines. I wanted to show some tiles effect or some step effect, whatever you call it. I'm cutting this so that later we can overlap one side of the paper on the other side, and we will be sticking it, and this way it will stand. So you will not need any support for it to stand. Now I'm taking a blue color paper. If you don't have blue color paper, no worries, you can take a plain paper and color the background. I just wanted to show the sky, and I found this blue color paper, so I thought let me use that. If you have black color paper, you can use black color paper also. Try to use some dark color paper in the background. If you have purple color paper, that is also fine. You can draw some stars or anything on that. So here it's very important from where you're folding. So the baseline of our buildings and the edge of the paper, you have to fold it over there. This step is very important, otherwise your building will not stand properly. So from where you're folding, you have to stick it at the base of the paper. Be very careful. Now both are A4 size paper, so there is not an issue about the size. So again from top, I am going to cut it in a curve shape to give it a sky effect. And now we will overlap the paper at the bottom and paste it so that the base is seen standing now. So now you can show whatever background you want on the blue color paper. I'm showing a chimney and some smoke coming out of that. I'm showing a moon. You can show some stars, or if you want you can show rainbow as well in the background. So it's all up to you. I wanted to show a little bit evening scene. That's the reason I took blue color paper. And here is a final output ready. See how pretty it looks.